Can I do a short sale on my investment property? I'm Lathe Lavada with the Lathe Lavada Home Selling Team. An investment property alone does not exclude you from doing a short sale on the property you own. However, you must meet short sale requirements and lender requirements in order to complete the short sale on your investment property. If you or someone you know is facing foreclosure and thinking about short selling, then call the number on your screen for your free consultation. If you like this video and want to see more, please visit www.mrshortsalenv.com/FAQ.